Oh yeah! So today is finally the day, and I'm pretty excited, but at the same time, I'm very nervous. So, I mean, I've seen the bike before, but because I'm now picking it up, and as far as I know, they told me that some bits and pieces are still missing. So, yeah, let's hop on the journey. Alright, baby is back. She's not perfect, so I'll still need to do a few more works to make her complete. I'll get cracking on it as soon as possible. Hopefully she'll be back on track soon. Alright, so first things first, it is shopping time. What I first tried to buy is actually the paint. Why would I want to buy paint? Is because here. So I search online for the frame, the paint code of the frame, and it is this 40R golden blaze green, and it is a 2 bottle system, so 1 base coat and 1 top coat. It is gonna be for the trellis frame because if you look at the photo here, part of the frame around the head tube, the paint gets to be chipped off by the thief when they try to maybe tamper with the ignition barrel. So yeah, so this is the first thing that I buy. And then now secondly, what we have to buy, I actually took photos. I took photos of the bits and pieces that are missing from the bike so that I can remember. Oh yeah, so this is the paint. Well, this is just wear and tear from the cables rubbing, but this part, it's where the paint gets to be chipped off. And what else do we need? We need 1 bolt here, probably with a washer or rubber grommet as well. Another bolt here and another bolt here. So this will be on both sides, this side and the other side. And then we also need this compartment, which I already showed you before how to assemble them together, and it's done. And of course we need 2 more screws here as well for the seat, because they are missing as well, the seat and the spacer, the screws in the spacer. And then what else do we need? This one, most likely I will have to buy a new lower winglets because I don't think this one I can polish them off. And 2 screws and screws or bolts for the headlights. In the factory bike it will be for the headlight, here it will be for the top winglets. And of course 2 more bolts here for the side panel, and will be the same for the other side as well. So I think that's about it. Yes, that's about it. These are the things that I will need to buy online, and once that's done, then all will be good. So let's get shopping. Kawasaki. This is where I go to find the parts. Kawasaki Parts House. So this is where I go to look for my parts. So So 2025 Kawasaki Ninja H2. So we already bought this. Yeah, and I also need to buy the side panel as well. Anyways, those are just small pieces. So I will do my shopping, and then once I bought everything and all of them arrive, I will unbox them and let's do the installation together. I will save you the hassle of going through all these OEM diagrams to look for parts and for shopping. So that will be all for the shopping thing.